Step into the world of artisan craftsmanship as we explore the delicate art of creating a luxury leather pen case. Made entirely by hand using premium Tamponato leather. In today's video, we take you through the full process of transforming a simple piece of raw leather into a beautifully finished, functional pen case that holds pens, pencils, and other writing tools with elegance and style. The journey begins with selecting the perfect piece of Tamponato leather, known for its rich texture, durability, and luxurious feel. Tamponato leather is a favorite among leather artisans who value both quality and aesthetic appeal. The soft, yet sturdy nature of this leather ensures that every pen case we craft will not only look stunning but will also last for years before any cutting begins. It's important to prepare the workspace clean, organized, and well lit. The table becomes a canvas for precision and creativity. Tools are carefully arranged, a sharp knife for cutting, precise rulers for measurements, a mallet for stamping, and needles and thread for hand stitching. Every item has a purpose, ensuring that each step of the process flows smoothly and efficiently. The first step in crafting the leather pen case is measuring and marking the leather. Accuracy here is key. Using a fine marker, the artisan carefully marks the dimensions needed for the pen case. The measurement phase ensures that each side aligns perfectly and the end product maintains symmetry and balance. For a standard pen case, the dimensions are meticulously calculated to accommodate multiple pens without crowding or stretching the leather. Once measurements are marked, the cutting begins. With precision and a steady hand, the leather is sliced along the marked lines. This is a moment of transformation, where raw material starts taking the shape of a refined, functional object. The artisan moves slowly and deliberately, ensuring clean edges and smooth cuts. Every slice is a step closer to creating a masterpiece that combines beauty and practicality. After cutting, the next step is shaping the leather. Using tools like edge bevelers and burnishes, the edges are refined and smoothed. This process not only enhances the look of the pen case, but also ensures comfort and safety when handling it. The tactile sensation of running fingers along perfectly finished edges is a hallmark of handcrafted leatherwork, and a subtle detail that separates artisan work from mass production. As the leather begins to take shape, attention turns to the assembly. Here, we see the art of hand stitching come to life. Thread is carefully chosen to complement the rich hues of Tamponato leather. Using a saddle stitch technique, the artisan weaves the thread through pre-punched holes with precision. Each stitch is evenly spaced, tight, and secure, contributing to both the durability and aesthetic of the pen case. Hand stitching is time-consuming, but it adds a personal touch and unmatched quality that machine stitching cannot replicate. The artisan also pays attention to functionality during assembly. Compartments are crafted to hold pens, pencils, or even small accessories. Flaps are measured and stitched to ensure secure closure while maintaining elegant design. This stage balances practicality and artistry, ensuring the pen case is not only beautiful but also highly functional for everyday use. Polishing is an essential step in the finishing process. Using natural waxes and soft cloths, the leather is carefully buffed to bring out its natural luster. The Tamponato leather responds beautifully, revealing its rich tones and intricate textures. Polishing enhances the visual appeal and protects the leather, giving it a silky, smooth feel and a luxurious finish. Every pass of the cloth deepens the leather's character, making each pen case uniquely beautiful. Throughout the video, the soundscape is as captivating as the visual craft. The gentle slice of the knife, the rhythmic tapping of the mallet, and the soft scratch of thread passing through leather create an ASMR-like experience for viewers. Each sound contributes to the immersive atmosphere, highlighting the care and dedication involved in handcrafting a leather pen case. This project also emphasizes the importance of patience and mindfulness in artisan leatherwork. Every step, from measuring and cutting to stitching and polishing, requires focus and precision. It's a slow, meditative process where attention to detail is paramount. Watching the creation unfold, viewers can appreciate the skill, dedication, and artistry that go into each handcrafted piece. By the end of part 1 of our video, the leather has been carefully cut, shaped, and partially assembled. The first glimpse of the pen case begins to emerge, showcasing the meticulous work of the artisan. As the wax is buffed, the leather responds with a gentle shimmer, revealing textures and patterns that make each pen case uniquely beautiful. While aesthetics are crucial, functionality remains a guiding principle. The compartments are tested for ease of use, ensuring each pen, pencil, or stylus fits snugly without obstruction. Flaps open smoothly, closures click securely, and the case maintains a flexible, yet sturdy feel. The artisan's careful attention ensures that the pen case is not only visually stunning, but also highly practical, capable of daily use without compromise. Throughout the crafting process, sound plays a significant role. The soft slice of the knife, the rhythmic tap of the mallet, the gentle friction of burnishing, and the subtle scratch of the thread passing through leather all create a symphony of sensory cues. These auditory elements heighten the viewing experience, immersing the audience in the deliberate, soothing pace of handcrafting leather goods. For lovers of ASMR and artisan techniques, these sounds are as captivating as the visual transformation itself. As the leather pen case nears completion, the focus shifts to final polishing and inspection. Every edge, stitch, and surface is scrutinized under bright light to ensure uniformity and flawless execution. Minor adjustments are made with precision tools, correcting any inconsistencies and enhancing the overall finish. This stage emphasizes the level of care and dedication required in luxury leather, where even small details can distinguish a good product from a truly exceptional one. Polishing is performed with soft, lint-free cloths and natural waxes, carefully massaging the leather to bring out a subtle, luminous sheen. The Tamponato leather responds beautifully, revealing depth in its color and accentuating its natural grain. Each motion of the cloth enhances the richness of the leather, producing a tactile surface that feels smooth to the touch, yet retains the undistinctive character of hand-worked material. The artisan often steps back to appreciate the transformation. What began as a flat, unshaped piece of raw leather has become a functional, elegant pen case, a harmonious blend of craftsmanship, patience, and artistry. Every stitch, every polished edge, and every detail reflects hours of careful work, revealing the beauty that emerges when dedication meets skill. At this stage, the pen case is subjected to practical testing. Pens and pencils are inserted and removed multiple times. Compartments are flexed, and the flap closure is engaged repeatedly. This functional evaluation ensures the product not only looks luxurious, but also performs flawlessly in real-world use. The balance between visual appeal and practicality is central to high-quality leather craftsmanship, and this careful inspection is a hallmark of artisan practice. The tactile quality of the finished pen case is remarkable. Running fingers along the polished edges, brushing across the smooth surface, and feeling the weight of the leather conveys the satisfaction of a piece designed to be touched, handled, and appreciated. Unlike mass-produced items, Every handcrafted detail carries the artisan's personal touch, resulting in an object that feels alive with care and intention. Once satisfied with the functional and aesthetic qualities, the artisan may choose to add subtle decorative touches. This could include embossed initials, a delicate stamped pattern, or a gentle burnishing accent along the edges. These small details further elevate the product, making it not just a pen holder, but a personal statement piece that reflects both craftsmanship and taste. Finally, the leather pen case receives its signature finishing touch, a gentle buffing that brings out a deep, luxurious glow. The surface catches the light beautifully, highlighting the natural textures and tonal variations unique to Tamponato leather. The result is a product that is simultaneously elegant, functional, and highly durable, ready to accompany pens, pencils, or tools in style for years to come. Throughout this journey, viewers gain a rare insight into the meticulous process of handmade leather craftsmanship, from the selection of premium Tamponato leather to the precise cutting, stitching, edge finishing, and final polishing. Every step showcases the dedication, skill, and artistry required to create a truly luxury product. This is more than just making a pen case. It's a celebration of tactile creativity, patience, and the meditative rhythm of artisan work. As the video concludes, the finished pen case rests as a testament to craftsmanship. Its rich tones, smooth edges, perfectly aligned stitches, and functional design reflect the culmination of careful planning, skillful execution, and artistic vision. For anyone who appreciates handmade objects, the transformation of raw leather into a practical yet exquisite item is both inspiring and deeply satisfying. This video not only demonstrates the step-by-step process of crafting a leather pen case, but also immerses the viewer in the sensory world of leather. The sights, sounds, and textures come together to create an experience that is calming, educational, and visually captivating. Whether you are a fellow leathercraft enthusiast or someone who appreciates finely made products, the journey from raw material to finished luxury item leaves a lasting impression. Through patience, precision, and an unwavering commitment to quality, the artisan transforms simple Tamponato leather into a product that is elegant, functional, and built to last. Every detail tells a story of dedication, craftsmanship, and the timeless appeal of handmade leather goods. A story that unfolds with each cut, stitch, and polish, inviting viewers to slow down, appreciate the art, and connect with the process in a meaningful way. The completed leather pen case is more than just a storage solution for writing tools. It is a piece of art, a reflection of the artisan's skills, and a symbol of the beauty that emerges from careful, deliberate craftsmanship. The combination of durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal ensures that it will remain a cherished item for years to come, whether used daily or displayed as a testament to luxury leatherwork. Finally, this process underscores a fundamental truth of artisan craftsmanship, that time, patience, and attention to detail are the true ingredients of beauty. The transformation from raw Tamponato leather to a fully functional, elegant pen case demonstrates that handmade items carry with them not only utility but also soul, character, and timeless appeal. Each handcrafted piece is unique, bearing the subtle marks of the artisan's hand and the story of its creation.